Thank you very much for your time to attend the webinar of Endress+Hauser today. And I would like to first introduce myself. My name is Jan. I am the Business Development Manager of Endress+Hauser Asia Pacific Support Center based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. And to accompany with me today, we have Mr. Linh, who is my colleague, and he will support me in the technical issue of the webinar, as well as he will check your questions. And then if you would like to ask me directly, he will have to unmute you. And after my presentation, I will come to the question and answer session. Okay, so now I will start the content of the webinar today. The main subject I would like to present with all of you today is I would like to introduce about the new possibilities, new experiences, which is personal and digital for you with our website Endress.com. Our new interface on website Endress.com has simplified and personalized your digital experience. And then you can see here with one account on our website Endress.com, you can have many benefits, like for example, you can search or you can find the product which is suitable for your process, suitable for your plant. And then you also can find the CAD drawing, 2D and 3D of the device on our website. And with the product, you also can check the price of the product. And from that, you can send us the request for code, or you can create the code by yourself. And you can place order directly on our website. Look like you go shopping online with other platform in your daily life. And on our website, Endress.com, you also can find the contacts of Endress+Hauser, which you can keep in touch. And you also can find the favorite product which you usually buy for your plan, for your company. And also you can see all the transactions with Endress+Hauser, if any, in the past up to now. And also you can track the delivery status of your order. Okay. And furthermore, on the documents surrounding the order, like the pro forma invoice or the order confirmation or the delivery note, etc., can find on the website Endress.com after you log in with your account. Okay. So with the functionality searching on our website, you can search the product with your serial number and the order code. So on the main page of the website, you can find the product by inputting the serial number, and then the page will show you the result of your given serial number. And when you click on the product, you can access to the device specific information and the documentation. And you can download the documentation if you register an email with us. Okay. And furthermore, on the main page with the product, when you click on the product and you scroll down, you choose the go-to product finder. You can find the product which is suitable for your process or suitable with your requirement. And here, after you click the product finder, on the page will show you the result. And on the left-hand side, you can make the filter according to your criteria to choose the product. Okay. And on the result page here, you also can add the product directly to your cart, to your shopping cart. Or you can do the comparison of the many products you choose here. Okay. And you can configure the product directly from here. Or when you click on the product, the page will redirect you to the specific product, and then you can choose the tab configure. So all of these things I will do the demonstration later on. Okay. And another tool I would like to introduce with you is the Applicator. So with the Applicator, you can choose the product according to your specific process. or according to your required product you would like to procure. And with the applicator, you can do the sizing of the flow meter as well. So on the main page of the website, when you scroll down, you choose the go to applicator here. Okay. Or on the product page, you can choose the configure. So it will direct you to the page applicator here. So this will be included in the next demonstration. Okay, so with one, with one account on our website, Endress.com, you can download the various purchase documents and you can track the status of your orders and even can check the past orders as your whole history with Endress+Hauser. And I can say that it has never been easier to reorder the complete orders or the single items. So in a nutshell, I can say that our website can offer you the the status of your orders in a minute, very fast. No emails communication needed, no waiting anymore, and then you can reorder the product very easily and quickly. Okay. And another tool I would like to introduce is our operation app. So if you use the iPhone or iPad, you can download this application on the Apple Store. And if you use the Android-based smartphone, you can download from the Google Play. This application is called Operation App of Endress+Hauser. So with this application, with this app, you can quickly find the information, the instructions and manuals among other documentation directly through the app. So if you come to the site and see a device of Endress+Hauser, for sure on our device there will be a QR code like this one, and you use your smartphone or your tablet, which is installed with our operations app. You scan the QR code, and then the app will show you the detail of the product in front of you. The detail included the order code or the manufacturing day and even the options you selected for that product. The second one, you can find the status of the product, whether it's still available or it's already phased out. Okay, and if phased out, the spare parts will be continuous to be in production until when. The next one, you can find the documentations of the product in front of you. The documentation can be the technical information, can be the approval certificate or the operation manual or even the calibration certificate, if any. And the last one, you can find the spare part list, which show you the order code of the spare part of the device in front of you. So with this operation apps installed on your smartphone, you can access the details, the information of the device in one click very easily. Okay. And here is the how I can say that we would like to offer you a gift to thank you for attending the webinar today. That for all the customer who had the Endress.com user, please use the code APS10 Web 2021 to receive 10% additional discount for the first online order. So before you proceed to click the order here on the comment box under the number 4 additional request, you please tap the code as I mentioned here. And then when you click order, we will apply the 10% additional discount for you. Okay? So here are the summary of the My Endress+Hauser features. And all of this presentation will be sent to you via email afterwards, after the webinar. Okay. So now I would like to come to the next part with the demonstration. And due to the fact that because of the bad internet connection in my location, I prepared the recorded video in advance, and I would like to share with you now. Okay. So let me share the video. Okay, sorry for the lagging internet. Okay.
And here you type the web address worldwideweb.apsc.endress.com. And when our website appears, you can choose the language you prefer. It is English or your preferable language and the country of your destination. If you have an account, you can click here to log in, or if you don't have an account, you can scroll down and click here Register Now. When you click the Register Now, you can fill in the form with your information. And please pay attention that all the fields with the star are the mandatory fields, and you need to fill in. After filling all the information, you click on the boxes here, and then you click Submit. After 2 or 3 days of the submission, you can receive the user and password to log in our website. Okay, and now I'm back to the first page. Okay, here on this page you can find about us, all the information about the Endress+Hauser group. And then on the product page, on this search field, you can type your serial number to find the product information. Here, I choose this one as an example. And I click search. After you click search, the product page will show you the product with the serial number given on this one before. So here, it shows that the manufacturing date of the device and also the full order code under this serial number. And then when you click on this one, the page will direct you to the Windows device specific information here. And on this page, you can see that you can find the serial number of the device, the order code, or the manufacturing date, and even you can see the product status. This product is still in the production, is already phased out. If phased out, it will show you the date of the phase out as well, and also when the spare parts is available. And here you can see the documents of the device. And in case you would like to have the specific document of the device, you can choose this one, and you type your email, and you click search. In case your email is not registered, you need to register your email with us so that you can find the device-specific documents. Okay, and here you also choose the spare parts field to see the spare parts list of this device with this one. Okay, you can click here to see the detail, the picture of the device, and the part here, the number here show you the part number of the device itself. Okay, when you close this tab, you can be back to this one, and then now I will back to the products page. What is on the product page? On the product page, you can use the tool here, Product Finder. When you click here, it will show you the pages where you can find. On the left-hand side, it is the filter where you can find the product area which you want to choose. For example, I would like to find a flow meter, so I choose here flow, and then I come to the next filter, the measuring principle. I would like to find the Coriolis measuring principle of the flow meter. I choose here. And the measuring application task, I would like to measure the mass flow, or I would like to measure the density at the same time. And here, the product will have the filters and show you the result out of these filters. And based on this one, I see these are meeting our requirement. And in case I would like to compare these parameters, I choose this one, or I can choose this one. And here you can see it shows that we can compare 3 items which I chose, and I click compare products. The website will direct you to this page, this landing page, where we can see that, okay, for the density or the liquid or the gas or the steam, and the density here, it shows the measuring task and the product name. Okay, if I choose the measuring task, I click here, and it will show me the comparison between 3 products, ProMass A100, ProMass P100, and ProMass F300. And I can see the product headline of the 3 items I chose to compare. And here is the sensor features. And even I can see the transmitter features as well, and the nominal diameter range of these 3 items. Okay, for example, with the A100, the diameter is vary from 1 to 4 only. And for the P100, the diameter you can choose from the DN8 to DN50. And with the ProMass F300, it's wider from the DN8 to DN250. Okay, so based on this comparison, you can choose the one product which fit most to you. Okay, and here, for example, if I choose ProMass F300, when I click on this one, the web will direct me to the page of the product here. And here you can see the product with the specs at a glance. So it shows you the maximum measurement error, the measuring range, the medium temperature range, the maximum process pressure, etc. And it can show you the summary of the field of application for the ProMass F300 and the benefits of our device. And when you scroll down, you can see the video to show the measuring principle of Coriolis flow meter. And when you scroll up here, if you choose the downloads, you can find all the documents of this ProMass F300. For example, here, you can see this one as the operation manual of the ProLite 300 heart. And here, the technical information is our catalog of a device. Okay, so here when you choose this one, it shows you the document ProLite ProMass F300, and you can download our TI, our catalog directly from here. Okay, and if you choose the approval, it will show you on the document of the approval which we have with this ProMass F300. For example, the approval for the explosion protection, or the approval for the filters, or the approval for the hygienic standard, you can find here as well, and you can download the documentation or the brochure or whatever document of this product directly from the website. Okay. And here, if you choose the spare parts or the accessory, it will show you the spare part by the number in the drawing. Okay, and even here the order code, which help you to easily place order for the spare part of the device when it's put in the operation. Okay, and here you can see the price after you log in. So you can add this product into the cart. And then after you log in, you can see the price. And here on the page, you can see the related products, which, for example, if you use a flow meter, you want to have recorder or the data manager to display or to calculate the lump sum of the flow, you can use our Memograph RSG45, or you can use our control unit RMA42. For the loop power or the barrier or the the limit switch. Okay, so it will show you, or the source arrestor, it show you the related product which the customer usually buy together with the main product ProMass F300 here. So you can see here it's mentioned often bought together. And here if you come to this page, it will show you to the fast configuration of the device. And if you click to the configure here, the page will direct you to the landing page to configure your selected products. On this landing page, you can choose the ProMass F300 with the proper nominal diameter you want to buy. For example, here I choose the ProMass F300 DN100. Okay, and here you can see the red color here is the required fields you need to configure. This is the mandatory. For example, here I choose the non-hazardous or the power supply. I choose this one. This is just an example to show you how it works. Okay, for the display, for example, I choose here for light aluminum, and the housing I choose the stainless. Electrical connection, this one, and for the process connection, for example, I choose this one. The calibration flow, I choose 0.1% mass, or the device model, I choose, for example, A1. And when you scroll down, you see here the gray color. With the gray color, it is optional, so you can choose or you don't want to choose, it's quite okay. And then after you click next, the device is basic configure. Okay, and when you click apply, you finish the configuration of your selected product. And then after the configuration, the device will be added to the cart here, And here you can see the price. And I would like to remind that after you log in with your account, you can see the price. Otherwise, if you don't log in, you cannot see the price of the device. Okay? And here you can see the production days of the device is 14. And here the production days are the working days, and we don't count the delivery days in this shown figure yet. Okay, and when you click the show details, it will show you each option you choose for the, for example, power supply output for the requirement you want to buy. Okay, and when you click hide details, it will be shortened with the screen. And then you can click here. When you scroll down, you see the contacts. With the contacts, which are from Endress+Hauser, you can contact to to ask for the request for code, or to ask for the order handling. Here is our contact. Okay, and if you see the price here, you have two options. One is the proceed to checkout. So it means that when you click on this one, you can proceed the procurement of the device. Or if you want to send us a request for code to get the better price, or to improve the production time, or whatever you want to contact us to discuss on this quotation, you can click here, request for code. And after you click request for code, it will direct you to this page, and then you can fill in the reference, your reference number, so that you can search this order later easily. For example, here I type project X, and I type here the day, for example, and then with the description you can fill in, or you don't want to fill, it's up to you. Okay, and when you scroll down, you can see the item which you chose, and then the shipping information with the sold to party, bill to party. And then when you scroll down, you can see the Incoterm here, the CIP, and the destination. Okay, and also you can see the country of origin, which is the device origin, our Switzerland, and the dispatch countries is always Germany. Okay, and here you also see the HS code for your importation purpose. Okay, and here it shows you the net value of the order with the device, and the logistics services, and also the total value of the device of the order. And on the number 4 additional request, you can comment which one you would like us to support. For example, you would like to have I want to have this device delivered in 2 weeks. Or you can type I want to have 10% discount for item 1, 2, or 3. It depends. Okay. And then if you would like to send us the attachment, you can click here to browse files and attach your document so that we can receive it. And then last, you can click on the box, accept the term and condition. After you click here, you choose request for code. Okay. And after you click request for code, it says that you already sent a RFQ to us, and we will receive your request for code under this one. Okay, so after 2 or 3 days, or maximum 1 week, you can receive our confirmed quotation. Okay, and you can choose here the code, or from this one you can choose. From this one, there are 4 fields: the card, favorites, the code, and the orders. You can choose the codes, and then you can search all the quotation in the period you want to search. And then, for example, here is only one code which display here, and you can see in progress. It means that Endress+Hauser is processing your request for code. And if this is the confirm, it means that we already proceeded your request for code, and we reply your request for code already. And if here you see the confirm, this button will be displayed so that you can order the code. Okay. After you click order the code, the order will be displayed here. And in this order, you can see all the, all the documents and all the information of your order. Okay. So you can track your delivery status on the order itself. Okay. And here, if I'm back to this one, the favorite. With the favorite, it will be easy for you because you can choose the product you want to put it as you want to mark it as the favorite, and then you can easily repeat the order with your favorite product. Okay. Or you can contact us and we will support to create the favorite product list for you. Okay. So here, that's all with the ordering or the request for code procedure on Endress+Hauser website. And I come to another part where you can find this one. This is another part which you can use our website, the product tools. When you click on the product tools, it will show you many benefits which you can use our websites. For example, here, with this one I showed before, where you type in the serial number and you can access the device specific information. And here is another benefit with the Applicator. You can choose go to Applicator here. When you choose the Applicator, the page will redirect you to this landing page. And on this Applicator page, you can choose the product or you can sizing the flow meter. Depends on the industry or depends on the products you want to procure. For example, here we have the industry, chemical, water, wastewater, food and beverages, life sciences. For example, I choose the food and beverage. I want to find the product in the beverages. I click this one, and the page will show you the whole process of the beverages production. And for example, I choose the brewery. Okay, the brewery production. And for example, I would like to find the device in the brew house. I click on the brew house, and then here on the sub-processes in the main process brew house. For example, I choose here demand, reception. And for example, I would like to measure the level or the level switch or the temperature. You can choose. And for example, here I choose the level. Okay, so for example, when I choose the level, the page will show you the best fit product is the level fresh FMB 56, and it shows you the specification at a glance of the products here. And when you scroll down, you can see the alternative product which offer you the similar measuring here. Okay, with the FMB 57 or the FMR 67. Okay, so It means that with the applicator, you can choose the products based on the process, based on the industry, and it can recommend you the best fit product for each process of your plant. Okay, so I will be back here to the main page of the applicator. And on the right hand side, you can choose the product based on your measuring task. Okay, and here, for example, you choose the flow. You can do the selection of the flow method for the liquids, the gas, or the steam, or you can do the sizing for the flow method. For example, here I choose the sizing. On the applicator page, you can choose the measuring task of the flow method. For example, here I choose the monitoring control, and the purpose to monitor and control. And the fluid here, you can choose, for example, liquid gases or the liquid gases. Here, for example, I choose liquid. And I choose the fluid here is beer. And then for the flow method, for example, I would like to measure with the Coriolis principle. I choose this one. And I would like to buy the Promax F300. I choose here. And then when you scroll down, you type in the process data. For example, here I type in the minimum flow to be 10 kg per hour, and the maximum flow to be 1000, and the nominal flow to be 500. And for the pressures, I choose the unit to be the bar gauge, and the minimal pressure is 1 bar, the maximum is 4, and the nominal to be 2, and the temperature I can type in. For example, maximum temperature is 80, the minimum is 10, and the nominal to be 40. After I enter the process, the page will propose the proper flow method size to be DN8. Okay, so this sizing functionality on our website will offer you the possibility to size your flow method to be suitable with the process data. Okay, I close it now, and I will be back to the main page of the product tools. When I scroll down, I would like to share with you the last part is the 5 spare parts. When you click the 5 spare parts, you can find the spare part list of any product. For example, here you can type the serial number of device, or you can type the order code of device, or you can even type the product root of the device to find the spare part list. For example, here I type FMP 50. I click search, and then the page offers me the full spare part list of FMB50. And here you can see the picture, the drawing of the device. And when you click on this one, it will show you the position of each accessory of each spare part inside the device. And based on the position, you can filter here. To find, for example, I will filter number 21. And then it will list down, okay, at the position 21, which you can find here in the picture. It will offer 2 spare parts, that is the sealing and the gasket. And together you can see the order code. It will help you to, to place order the spare parts very easily. Okay, and even you can choose here, and then you add the selection to your shopping cart. Yeah, so that's all for the own functionality on our website, Endress.com.
Okay. Yeah. So that's all for the demonstration part. And now we come to the question and answer session of the webinar. So, Mr. Lin, can you help me with the question? Whether you have any question?
Yeah, currently we have this question that, okay, I read the question for you. Hello, man.
Yeah.
I would like to track via config or applicator.
Okay. If you would like to know the weight of the product, unfortunately, on our configurator, we don't offer the clear weight of the device of the product. So we have one way to search for the weight of the product by this one. So hope that you let me share my screen. Have you seen my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So on the main page, you can search for the device. For example, here I search for the ProMax P300, and then I click this one, and the page directs me to the product page here. Okay. And then when you scroll down, you come to the downloads. And on the downloads, you scroll down to choose the technical information, the TI of the device. So the weight of the device always mentioned in the TI of the device. So once you download the TI here, and then you can search the weight of the device. Because why? I will show you. You can search here, you tap the weight, and then you click here. And then when you see the TI of the device of the product will show you the weight once refer to the device with the flanges. So it means that if the flange you choose vary, the weight will be vary as well. Okay. So from this documentation, you can find the weight of the product. And please pay attention that the weight of the product is the net weight of the product itself, not include the packaging material, not include the how to say the box or any packaging box. Yeah. So this is the only way you can find the weight of the product by downloading the technical information of the device.
Okay, thank you for that. And currently we don't have any more questions. Currently, if the attendee you like to have the question directly, you can raise your hand, and from here I can unmute you to talk directly to Chang. Just raise your hand next to your name, and you can click on it. Okay, I think we don't have more questions right now. So anyhow, if you have any question later on, then you can always send the email to Miss Chang. The email is chang.nguyen@endress.com. So you can ask about the digital for the endress.com as well. So now I give the final speech to you, Chang.
Yeah, so again, thank you very much for your time to attend our webinar today. And all the documentation, the presentation, and the recorded video of the webinar today will be sent to you after the webinar is finished. And again, I would like to say thank you very much for your time and wish you all the best and stay safe. Have a nice day. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. See you later in our upcoming webinars. Thank you.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.